My name is Jetsi Rivera, and this is my presentation about calcium ions homeostasis process. Okay, calcium is important because not only is it needed for the bone, but for the brain and heart as well. Okay, so we have our stimulus and we're going to have a homeostatic imbalance, which in this case is the lack of calcium. Okay, the parathyroid glands located in the throat detects the calcium levels. Okay, so since our calcium levels are low, these parathyroid glands will signal and tell the body that our calcium is low. And so our body is going to have to regulate that. Okay, the control center. Okay, the parathyroid glands release PTH, which is just parathyroid hormone, into the blood. All right. And moving on to the effectors/responses. Okay, so the bone. Osteoclasts will release stored up calcium from the bones and into the bloodstream, what will help increase blood calcium. So the bones have stored calcium and it will release it into the bloodstream, so our calcium levels will increase. Moving on to the kidney. Calcium is filtered into the kidneys. Kidney cells reabsorb the calcium and keep the calcium in the body and adds it back to the bloodstream. So whenever you have low calcium, usually the urine will have low levels of calcium. Okay, and the hormones are the ones that tell the kidney to not filter out the calcium. Then the intestines. As the food is digested inside the intestines, the calcium is released. Then the calcium is absorbed by little intestinal cells and adds it to the bloodstream. So basically it just collects all of the calcium from your food and just sends it back to the bloodstream. All of this will help our calcium levels go up to maintain homeostasis.